Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to unhide the chats of character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, you can see if you tap on it here it will come the option of hide character. Tap on it, and how you can search it is by going to your profile icon. Here you can see the option of settings. Tap on it, and there you can see the option of hidden chat. Show hidden chats. Then there you go, your hidden chats will be not hidden. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.